The King Cobra facility operates with unmatched precision, bringing the finest leather from around the globe to our skilled artisans.
All right, guide the first truck to Bay 4.
Copy that. Manifest updated.
Looks healthy. Get the weight.
2,200 grams, consistent with last month.
The tail inspection looks good.
Agreed. Hydration levels are optimal. Moving it back inside.
Clear on the transfer. Watch the head.
Confirmed. Securely latched.
The King Cobra requires specialized handling, utilizing padded crats and clear labeling for safe transit.
Crate 7 is secure. Did you double check the manifest?
Yes, everything is labeled correctly for the loading dock.
Automated gates ensure a seamless flow of goods, demonstrating the efficiency of this modern facility.
The spectral analysis confirms the high concentration of the target enzyme. We are seeing unprecedented purity levels.
The skin elasticity is at 95%.
And the venom yield indicators?
Stable, slightly above average for this specimen.
Here at the facility, our team meticulously inspects the King Cobras. Only the highest quality skins are approved before moving along the conveyor system for processing.
Check the edges on this one. Looks clean, ready for the conveyor. Move the skins to the next trough. Watch the brushes on the left.
Immersed in a precise blend of salt, lime, and tanning chemicals, the Cobra skins begin their transformation into luxury leather.
Here we see the first stage of drying, where excess liquids are gently removed under strict supervision to ensure the finest quality leather.
Moisture levels are stable on line 3.
Good.
Increase rotation speed by 5% and check the tension.
The artisans begin by hand, ensuring initial alignment. Then, the mechanical stretchers Are the King Cobra shapes cutting cleanly?
Yes, they are precise. The pattern material is holding up well.
Keep the engraving depth consistent across the logo. The detail needs to be precise for the branding pieces.
Automated suction pads precisely position the lining before the dual roller press fuses the materials. Real-time digital metrics.
Reading at 95 gloss units. Check the uniformity report.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance.
Approved.
The stress test results confirm the integrity of this batch. The elasticity is exceptional.
Agreed. The data aligns with our projections.
Check the sync status on the King Cobra shipment. We need to expedite the Asia-Pacific route.
Acknowledged. Diverting the next batch now.
Make sure the IDs match the manifest before the robot seals them.
Already on it. Pallet 9 is clear.
Bring the next pallet in. We're clear here.
Straps secured, confirming load stability.
The texture on this piece is remarkable. It really captures the essence of the King Cobra.
I agree, the sheen is perfect.
That particular piece is from our new sustainable collection. The texture is designed to mimic the exact feel of the scales.
Here is your jacket, fully protected. Thank you for your purchase, and please enjoy.
The zipper glides effortlessly, and we've added these deep silk-lined pockets for functionality.
The texture is remarkable. It feels much lighter than I expected.
Everything is included here. Thank you for your purchase. We hope to see you again soon.
Thank you for shopping with us. Enjoy your jacket.
Thank you, I will.